Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that I have on my watch list, see what potential trading opportunities we have for the coming week, and how we can actually take advantage of them. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So we're going to start off with Jpyx, or the Japanese Currency Index, the Japanese basket. As you can see, prices are in a clear downtrend. This is a weekly perspective. This is a weekly time frame, right? So we can see the prices are in a downtrend, breaking low after low. Currently, they're on this support structure. After breaking this low here, they gave us a retest and then pushed lower. Obviously, if you remember last week, I gave you this move. I told you guys prices will keep on pumping lower until they reach down here. And then once they reach here, we'll be looking for some kind of a retest, right? So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen. Prices are on this support level. The trend is still bearish, granted, but I'm anticipating to see some kind of a retracement until somewhere here, and then for prices to push lower. We can see on Friday prices closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum after a bearish push. That indicates the bears are losing momentum. So I'll be anticipating to see the bulls take over from here, pump until somewhere here, before we actually see prices drop like that. Yeah. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on JPYX, or the Japanese basket, next week, for it to be bullish. How will that be affecting other currency pairs? On JPYX, on KJPY, we can see prices have hit this third touch, 1, 2, 3. Now I'll be anticipating to see prices drop from there. I'm anticipating to see something like this happen, right? So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on KJPY. Prices become bearish until somewhere here before prices actually, pump and go higher. With Euro JPY, prices are actually still on this resistance structure, where we were anticipating to see prices actually just be bearish, obviously. So next week, we'll be anticipating to see prices from there fall until somewhere here, and then from here to see prices, keep on being bullish. So that's my view on the JPYX and the Japanese currency pairs from the weekly perspective. Obviously, for you to get good entries, you need to go to the lower time frames and take advantage of the lower time frames, but this is the bigger move, so that's what I'm anticipating to see happen. If you'd like to see how I'd actually analyze the lower time frames, join our free Telegram that's linked in the description below. You don't want to miss that out. So let's go to our all-time favorite, DXY, the US dollar currency index, and see how it's playing out. Okay, so with DXY, as anticipated since last week, I'm anticipating to see prices keep on falling down, right? So you can see here last week prices closed with a bearish engulfing candlestick, creating a lower low, indicating that next week you have a high chance of prices pushing lower. So I'll be anticipating to see prices next week drop until somewhere here, and then from there, because obviously the trend is bullish, take off, That's what I'm anticipating to see play out on USD, the US dollar. As you can see, that's the first, second, third, fourth, and then here we'll have a fifth touch, and then from there I'll be anticipating to see prices just pump higher, give us that retracement after the break, and prices to keep on pushing high. So that's what I'm really anticipating to see happen on, the DXY. How will that be affecting other currency pairs? USD JPY, obviously, we know it's positively correlated with DXY. So I'm obviously anticipating to see it have a bearish move because it's positively correlated to DXY, and you can see here it's on a resistance. So I'll be anticipating to see prices just drop until this trend line pops before you actually see prices take off. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on JPYX. We have Euro USD negatively correlated to the DXY. So obviously we'll be anticipating to see it have a bullish move until that trend line before you actually see it break, give us a retest on this structure here, as we can see. And then, keep on pushing lower until maybe it reaches there. We'll see how it plays out. If the bearish momentum still persists, then we'll be looking for prices to keep on pushing lower until it reaches all the way down there. So that's my view on Euro USD. Remember, this is the weekly time frame. If you want to see it in lower time frames, follow me in the free Telegram group. GBP USD, obviously, negatively correlated to the US dollar, but you can see here it has already raised a lot. So maybe I'll be anticipating to see it break. Obviously, we know that GU has a tendency of breaking out of structures and then pulling back in. So I'll be anticipating to see it pull out until somewhere here before you actually come and see what's really going on, right? We might see it pump all the way until somewhere here before you actually see it drop, because these are all possibilities for the GU, obviously. So I'll be updating you guys on how it's playing out and what moves to take on the Telegram group. So be sure to join and feel free to subscribe if you're actually getting value. Hit that like button because I know you're actually getting value. With gold, here prices have actually showed us a bullish engulfing. So I'm anticipating to see prices, keep on pumping higher, give us that, retrace until somewhere there. And then from there, we'll actually be seeing prices, drop until somewhere there. So that's my view on the pairs that have the US dollar currency index on our watch list. If you found value in this video, please give us a like. Don't forget to share this video with friends that you find value. Subscribe, leave us a comment on your biggest takeaway and what you'd like us to add. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you all. Nothing but love out here. Let's have a killer week. Peace.